forever for my video to upload, so I'm finally getting ready. Well, I'm in the car ready to leave. And this is my present that Josh got me to talk on my phone. And I do like it, babe. Don't think I don't. I know I was cranky and didn't seem like I wanted it or whatever, but I was just tired and whatever else. But I do like it and I will use it. So I'm on my way to my mama's now and we'll see how Gemma does. We're gonna be going to the farm after her nap. She wakes up at like 3, so we're gonna go to the farm at like 3 or 4 before my uncle goes to work because he leaves for work at 5. So we're gonna go do that today and see how she does. Too bad it's not summertime because then she could like ride on the horse and I don't know, just have a lot more fun and run around and play. I'm making myself some scrambled eggs because I'm hungry, and my mom's in the basement wrapping Gemma's Christmas presents, and Gemma is watching my YouTube videos. That is what she does. Just chilling, watching my YouTube. Right here, Gemma. Did it stop playing? Oh, thank you. High five. No. Okay. Snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing out. Look. Gemma's first snowsuit and snow boots.
Going to the farm.
I'll go see the farm animals, and it's snowing out if you can see. Can't really.
I heard that cuss word.
It's snowing though. You ready to go see the farm animals? Yeah, we're gonna go have fun. High five. Yeah, you're so cute. Look at you. You're so cute, Gemma. Here.
Yeah? You want to go see the horses first?
Oh, she loves me.
I like your snowsuit.
You see me? You'd be a hunter. Matt. Waving hi to it. There's nothing over here, John.
Wow. The cat just jumped up on
Look at the cat.
The cat just jumped up on me.
Oh,
Really? I was sitting here cleaning off my camera and this happened. Oh, what are you doing, kitty? Kitty.
There you go, Audrey.
Are you my friend? There we go. That's a good angle. Aww. Look at the hee-hee. Aww.
Aw, you love horses, don't you?
Yeah, a cat jumped up on me.
Aw, he just wants you to love it.
oh, what's that? Baby?
Oh, look at what?
Yeah, she got a horsey.
I like them. You can see my horse?
I'll let you do it.
Oh, my horse right here.
Yes, we saw it. She'll jump in your car.
He's a very crazy man.
I like it.
Aww.
Fine.
Look it.
You like them?
What do you say? No, I.
Huh? Yeah? We raised this thing from a baby. Age.
Had them. She's like, I'm gonna give you a hug and a kiss here. Hold still.
for the praise you got? You want me to get that goose? Aww.
Aww. Aww. How nice.
I said more? More?
More?
She's in heaven.
Come on, baby.
She's like, where'd they all go? Oh, there goes the horses running. Alpacas and
Look at them
goats.
suckers. Look at them. What the heck is that? What? That's the cows. Goats. Goat. Say goat.
You got two billies?
What?
Or what is that?
Oh, it's actually, I just went and picked him up, so this one had somebody to keep him play with.
Oh, it's got a dog collar on?
Yep. He's really friendly. He was raised like a dog.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know you want it. Oh, another cow.
Another cow.
It's a big one. You can't go in. I know, you're gonna get mad.
Oh, here goes the bunny.
Look at the cows.
On. Girl. Big one.
Uh-huh.
Oh, careful.
Good lady.
Watch them feed.
She saw Mike go through, so she's like, I'm coming.
No, you gotta stay.
No.
Yeah.
Cows are dangerous, honey.
You gotta stay, honey.
No.
You have to. Get mad at me all you want and hate me, but you have to. You have to.
You want me to hold her so she can see him? Or you
Yeah, you
Yeah, hold her.
want Audrey to hold you?
No, I'll record.
Oh. Can't see her? She's friendly. Sometimes.
Yeah, she always licks me.
Here, Mama. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Come on. Ah! Wow, always.
This is the finished product of the cookies. I want my tree. There's lots and lots of cookies. Uh-oh, what?
I called them for me circle
Oh.
yesterday.
She is Gemma from,
Very good. Well, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm tired, exhausted. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I gotta wake up and get ready and then go to my parents and get Gemma ready, do her hair. Since I love doing her hair, I do her hair every day. And yes, my hoodie is all wet because I took the Sophie and Joy outside and the roof was dripping water, like ice on me. So that is why my hoodie is covered in water or whatever. Getting late, so I want to end the vlog here, so don't forget to like, subscribe down below, and also share. Bye!